Amagarashini.
Smells like alcohol.
Finally. Banza umanura ikirahure umwuka w'inzoga usohoke.
I always have good ideas.
Baby.
That girl.
Ikiri nk'ari ibisanzwe. Baby.
License and registration.
Muzane ibyangombwa byanyu sha.
Sorry?
Hari ikibazo fani?
Officer
Jensen?
License and registration.
Zana amaperimi yanyu.
Yes, sir.
Na karite jaune.
Go.
Urazana ibyangombwa.
Sir, look at my light.
Muhereza za karite jaune n'ibiki. Ubite n'agaperimi. Akira.
Have you had anything to drink, sir?
Iri joro wigeze unywa inzoga? Oya fani.
I can smell the
Ndi
alcohol.
kumva impumuro y'inzoga hano.
guilty.
Oya ni njyewe wazinyweye ariko umugabo wanjye ntiyanyweye.
Step out of the car.
Sohoka mu modoka wa mugabo we. Polisi yumvisha umwuka w'inzoga. Wiki?
Out of the car.
Sohoka mu modoka. Batwaye umurambo mu modoka. Ibaze icyo kintu.
Sir?
Fani. Sohoka mu modoka. Ibaze polisi guhagarika utwaye umurambo. Uriyo urakaba wanasinze ukavuga ati nzafungwa birangire. Ariko umurambo mu modoka.
Follow me to the back of the car, please, sir.
Kurikira inyuma y'imodoka yawe.
Yes, sir.
Ibyo byose ni ngombwa fani.
Got 30.
Cyane. Kandi ijya imbere ku kintu. Tananika.
Please blow until I say stop, sir.
Humeka bazana ka kandi ahumekeremo nyine bumve igipimo cy'inzoga bamuhuhisha niko njya numva mubyita yahise ahamagara Jire.
Ma'am.
We had a problem.
Dufite ikibazo Jire.
Got pulled over and he's been drinking.
Roy baramuhagaritse kandi yari yanyweye.
No, we're in Indiana.
Turi muri Indiana. Aho ngaho biraza kungora n'abapolisi tuziranye ariko bwira izina ry'uwo mu ofisiye we na badge yitwa Jensen. Jire n'umurara. Badge ni 9887.
All right, give me a second.
uretse gato Jire ni ikirara ushinzwe umutekano wari uriya rugo. Famiye yanyigira abantu bashinzwe umutekano wanyu bakurikirana utugusa mukora bakavariga.
At all. Well, I can try it again.
Nongere ngerageze.
Put your hands behind you.
Amaboko inyuma y'umugongo wasinze.
Hands behind your back.
Hariyo bagufasha wasinze aho kubona nk'umwica nyine wari wagiye mu muhanda ushaka kwica abantu bamari. None se gutuma inzoga ukajya mu
I'm
muhanda.
going to tell you again.
Ntabwo ndi busubiremo.
Sir, I'm Roy.
Roy Belali. Di CEO wa Beauty in Black gutunyume. Umva. CEO na ba Rocky ni ba CEO hikira. CEO. Ibyo tuba dushaka. Polisi kuza umuratira ngo uri CEO ngo biki n'ibiki. Usaba imbabazi ugapfukamisha amavi y'umutima.
To take him through. Can't get anybody on the phone.
Ntabwo bari kunyita uriya abo yaragiye guhamagara ntabwo bari kumwita bari muri Indiana. Tamwinjiza muri Pandagari. Abonye Pandagari z'ahandi.
I'm on my way. Drop your location.
Nyohereza location yaho urinze. Umurambo dore gurafungura boot dore umurambo gurafungura boot uyu mugore ahita ava muri boot harimo umurambo akinga boot harimo umurambo.
Where are you taking him?
Umujyanye
We're taking him in.
turamutwaye.
You said you'd been drinking.
Wavuze ngo nawe wanyweye ku nzoga.
Yes.
Yego nazinyweyeho.
Someone to pick you up.
Hamagara umuntu aza gutware iyi modoka tugiye kohereza breakdown ziyitware.
You guys shouldn't be drinking and driving so
Kuko ntabwo wemerewe kunywa inzoga ngo utware n'umugabo wawe.
before the tow truck.
Rero byaba byiza abaza kugutwara baje mbere yuko haza breakdown itwara imodoka yanyu.